Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to remove the front door panel on a Golf 2014, and it is the same for 2014 until 2019. So this is the driver door. Well, what you have to do here, so you have one screw here, you have another screw here under, it is a Torx, and you have another one here. So we'll take this off and we'll take this off. I will show you how to do it. To take this off, you have a little gap here. So you want to go in this up corner with the plastic tool to not scratch the plastic, and you put it here and you pry. Okay, so this is the door handle. You have on this side the clips. So you want to go here, and you have one screw here, the other there, and now you don't want to go here. This is for the back door. You have to remove this, but here you have a screw just under. I'll show you. Go ahead. So the screw is just here. See it? It is. You make just a half turn. You put it vertically, and you grab the panel. So I'll show you immediately. So we'll take off the screws. You need the Torx. Keep the screws to not lose them. I put them always inside the car. And you need this stuff to just put this screw in the vertical position. After, you take plastic tool, you put it here under the panel. You grab one hand the panel, the other from the plastic tool. So take the clips. This one you don't pull like this, you go up, because this is a special clips, and you have to be careful because the plastic here on the edge is very sharp. If you go hard, you can cut yourself. So here you just pull up. That's it. You see it? It went off. So all the wires, they are on the clip. So you press the clip, you take off the wire, and then you put it back. This is all for the Golf 2015. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.